It's the season of giving and I'm feeling extra jolly today because Starbucks just sent me a $100 gift card. So we're gonna go spread some cheer. I'm gonna go to a grocery store and start singing A Christmas Carol. And the first person to finish the lyrics will take home this gift card. I'm so excited. All right, let's go. Dashing through the snow.
Yeah, sorry. No, it's probably not gonna be too good.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Okay, you win. I have a $100 Starbucks gift card. I would like to give you this Christmas.
What?
So I can spread a little cheer. I was waiting for
Oh my
someone to finish
gosh.
the chorus.
Did nobody do it?
Nope, nobody did it.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, you were like the
Thank
8th
you
person
so
to try.
much.
Yes, Merry Christmas.
Thank